today I'm here with YGWigs once more. Same packaging as always. So, you know, the wig is in here. And then I got a goodie bag into the box. So I got a wig grip. You know, a wig grip always helps with just, you know, the wig being, you know, stable. And then in our goodie bag, I got a rat tail comb. I got a edge brush and comb. I got a pair of wig caps. This is a $10 gift card that they sent in there. A patterned elastic band. And lastly, 2 section clips. So the wig that we're working with today is a 13 by 6 HD Swiss lace front 20-inch kinky straight wig. This is 150% in density. It's of a natural color, as you can see, and it came with a 4C edge, you know, hair, you know, if you want to form your baby hairs and stuff. It is 4C. So you guys know this is very much trending, the whole like textured edge vibe, because you know it has a more realistic look and stuff. And as I said, this is a 13 by 6 lace front. So that's how inside looks. It's already pre-tinted and bleached, so you don't have to worry about doing that. There is a branded band on the inside for more security, adjustable band. And in the back there are 2 more adjustable bands as usual, you know, with your tap. And it's branded in the back here as well, so you know it's from YGWigs. There's a total of 4 combs on the inside as well, you know, just to ensure more security and stuff. And yeah, that's how it looks. It looks really, really good. Love the construction, you know, the hair texture. Definitely giving that natural vibe. So if you're going for that, they got it with this wig, okay? They definitely have it. So now that I show you guys all of that, let's move on into installing this. And it's really, really secure. So I love that. For today's install, I'm just going to be using my Ebin adhesive spray. I love the fact that I've been trying out different adhesive spray, you know, for you guys and stuff, like not just, you know, staying confined to one thing like my wigs. You know, I'm always trying different wigs, different styles for you guys. It's nice to change up the products. So yeah, I'm just gonna cut away the excess as usual from around the ears. It's more towards the end of the edge here that it's mostly textured at the very root. I don't know if you can notice, but it's like still giving straight. But yeah, that's just an observation that, you know, as opposed to it being very textured from the root, it's straight. And then as it gets to the end, then it's that 4C texture. So I feel like they could have made that a little shorter, a little bit more textured, like right throughout it. Get my spray, and I'll just fast forward through this portion as usual. Because you guys know, I'm just going to spray and then I'll just get it to dry down. So let's go. So when I'm done spraying, then I can kind of like finesse the edges.
Cause we be on a tough love.
guys see how natural that is? Like a Swiss lace is just always gonna blend super nicely every single time. Very undetectable, very realistic looking. The edges are shining through, like it looks so natural, like super natural. Only thing is, as I said before, it is definitely a bit too long. So I know you're seeing some white pieces, but I'm gonna get rid of those. It's just from the dried spray. But the thing is, I really don't want to do any edges. Like, I don't want to do any swoops or anything for this. I really don't want to do any form of swoops. I just kind of want to keep it super realistic looking. So I'm just going over those portions that it has the white. Further melt down the lace, and then I'm gonna do a nice slow quick half up, half down, and I'm gonna run through it with my see how natural that looks with my flat iron. So you know, just so you know, it can be a little bit more tamed. Just using my hot comb to kind of flatten down everything. I'm gonna do this little style that I love doing. I'll give it a side part. I won't use the hot comb or the straightener on the edges though, because we want to keep that as kinky as possible. I'm just kind of taming everything down here. And I'm going to do my little 2 twists to the back. It's still a half up, half down vibe, but you know, kind of more of like a modest vibe. I decided to just kind of, I want everything to be a little bit flatter, like less poofy with the hair. So I'm just gonna run through everything with my flat iron, and then I'll redo the twist. But look at this. If you want to go ahead and rock it just as is, you can, because the volume is like really, really nice, and it looks so natural. So that is something. Look at that. It's giving Diana Ross, you know? Yeah. So I'm just gonna kind of just run through this really quickly with my flat iron. So I'm just gonna speed through this portion. Going over the top here with a little bit of my wax stick, just a little bit, not a lot at all, not a lot, barely grazing it over the top to just kind of put those flyaways in place. Everything can look like neater and more together. Right, now that I've done that, I'll go ahead and I'll section off a piece from the front here, and I'll twist it to the back. It's like a twist braid. what, if you want, you could definitely go in and like pluck the front some more if you wish. That is how it looks. We get up close. Hair is very flowy. It's a very natural, minimalistic vibe. Absolutely no baby hairs, no swoops, no nothing. We keeping it super natural. So for all my natural girlies who, you know, on the edge thing, on the you know, swoops, the baby hairs, this is for you. You want to keep it natural, like super natural, 4C, all that. This wig is for you. It is very much giving that. So I have to give it to YGWigs for a beautifully executed 4C edge 13x6 lace front kinky straight wig. No, that was long, but you get the gist. But yeah, I'm going to be sure to put the direct link to this wig in my description box as usual. So you know the description box is always your best friend, guys, because that's where all the information is. If there's any deal down there, if there's any deal available, you know, on this wig or on the site, you know, any form of deal, you can check the description box as well, you know, to get that. But yeah, that's it for today's wig look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.